Hi guys, here we've got Galaxy S8 Plus, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So at first you need to open the browser that you are using. In my case it is Google Chrome. Then tap on More icon and select History. And here click on Clear Browsing Data, where you'll find basic and advanced options. So under basic you've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And then under advanced you've got a few more, and you've got media licenses, saved passwords, out of in-home data, and site settings. So just mark those data that you wish to remove, and then just select time range. Now click on Clear Data, confirm it, and that's it. That will be all. As you can see, there is no longer history here. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.